Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video I will show you how to do the basic setting on this watch. And first, let's make sure we are in the time mode. It should look like this, the date and then the time. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until it gets to the time mode. Okay, this watch has 3 times, T1, T2 and T3, and for this video I will show you how to set T1 as the main time. And if you press the start split button, if it is showing T2 and T3, then it's okay, you have already added T1. But if it is showing like this, T1, T2 or T1 and T3, then we will need to set T1 as the active main time. So to do that, you need to press and hold the start split button when it is showing T1 like this, okay? Until beep. And now this watch is using T1 as the main time. So if you press the start split button, it is showing T2 and T3, not T1 anymore. Okay, now let's press and hold the set button on the top left, like this. And now we can set the time. So this one is T1, and then if we press the start split button, it is moving to T2 and T3. But for this video, we will set T1 as the main time. Okay, now press the mode button. We are moving to the next item to set, and that is the hour. You can use the start split and the stop reset button to change the number. Start split will increase and then stop reset will decrease. Okay, press the mode button. Now is the minute. Also the same thing, add and decrease. Okay, and then mode button. Now is the second. You can reset using the start split or the stop reset button like this. Okay, and yes, next press the mode button. And now is the month. You can use these 2 buttons. So start split will increase and stop reset will decrease, something like that. Okay, and then press the mode button. And now is the date. Also the same thing, increase and decrease. And then press the mode button, and now is the year. Also the same thing, the same 2 buttons. Okay, and then press the mode button. Now is the time format. You want to use 24 or 12-hour format, up to you, but in this video I will use the 24-hour format. And then press the mode button, and now is the date format. So this one is month, date, and you can change using this start split or stop reset button. So this one is date, month. So yes, in this video I will use the date, month. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the chime, hourly chime or hourly signal. You can activate or deactivate using either of these 2 buttons. So like this, on or off. Okay, let me turn on for this one. And then press the mode button, and now is the beep for the button. So if you want the watch to have beep sound, then on. But if you want the watch to be silent for the buttons, you can change to off. But for this one, let me set as on. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the menu for chrono meaning stopwatch. If you want to use the stopwatch, then on. But if you want to hide the stopwatch, you can select the hide menu. So like this, you can use start split or stop reset. So if it is hide, then it means that the chrono or stopwatch is hidden from the menu. Okay, and for this one, let me just on, not hide. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now is the timer. Also the same thing, if you want to hide the timer menu, then you can just use the start split or stop reset. Okay, and then next is the occasion menu or mode. You can use either of these 2 buttons to hide or unhide. Again, press mode button, and now is the alarm number 1. Also the same thing. This will only hide the alarm, but it will not disable the alarm. So meaning that if you already set the alarm like for 5 o'clock in the morning, and then you hide the alarm from this menu, it will still goes off, but it will not be shown on the mode normally, like that. So let me set as on for now, or unhide. And then press mode button, and now alarm number 2 and then alarm number 3. So this will be an example. Let me hide the alarm number 3 from the mode menu. Okay, and then press mode button. Now back to the preference of the time set. Okay, now press the set or recall button on the top left, and done. We have set the basic settings for this watch. And now if we press the mode button, we will see the menu. So chrono still shown, timer also, occasion, alarm number 1, alarm number 2, but alarm number 3 is hidden. And you can unhide it using the same method. And that's all for the basic settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like, subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.